Olive oil is a healthy fat that contains anti-inflammatory compounds. It is most often used in cooking, for frying foods, or as a salad dressing. Taken by itself daily by the spoonful, it also appears to offer an impressive variety of health benefits. This video answers some frequently asked questions about why olive oil is good for you. What happens if you drink olive oil every day? Olive oil provides vitamin E, vitamin K, and a number of potent antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil, often called EVOO, has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and death in those with a high risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Consuming olive oil regularly may help you stay healthy in a variety of ways. Analysis of long-term data dating back to 1990 shows that taking more than half a tablespoon of olive oil per day lowers the chances of cardiovascular disease by 15% and the risk of coronary heart disease by 21%. What are the other benefits of taking olive oil? Other benefits of putting some olive oil in your diet include the following. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are believed to have multiple beneficial effects and are a healthier choice for cooking. It contains nutrients that fight inflammation. Inflammation contributes to chronic disorders such as heart disease, blood vessel disease, diabetes, obesity, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and other conditions. Olive oil can help treat rheumatoid arthritis. Olive oil has antibacterial properties which have been found to be particularly effective against Helicobacter pylori, a type of bacterium that can cause stomach ulcers and stomach cancer. Olive oil isn't associated with weight gain, and in fact, moderate intake may even help you lose weight. Should you take olive oil on an empty stomach? Extra virgin olive oil has a series of components that can neutralize the damaging effect of gastric acids that cause heartburn and acid reflux, acting as a protective film on the stomach walls. So, individuals who suffer from these issues can benefit from taking EVOO on an empty stomach. When is the best time to take olive oil? A number of nutritionists and dietitians claim that taking extra virgin olive oil shortly after waking up jumpstarts digestion and provides optimal absorption into your system. Can I take olive oil before bed? Some experts believe that olive oil's natural inflammatory properties do their best work while the body is resting. How much olive oil a day is good for you? Is a spoonful of olive oil a day enough? One large study found that the amount you need to consume is about 40 milliliters a day, or about 4 tablespoons. According to the researchers, this amount provides maximum benefits from the antioxidants and healthy polyphenols that olive oil contains. As always, your doctor is your best source of information about your health. You should always talk to him or her first before making any significant changes to your diet.